Dock to entry team. Suspects are refusing to negotiate. You are clear to move in.
Don't move!
Element to talk. We got a dead suspect here.
Dock reporting. Continue with your mission.
Get back!
We got one fatality. Suspect.
Dock to lead. Continue with your mission.
Lead to talk. Suspect is deceased.
Dock here. Proceed with mission.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is deceased. Requesting trailers.
This is Dock. Proceed with mission.
Shit!
Element to talk. Suspect is down.
Elements, this is Dock. Proceed with mission.
Guys, you cut like cows!
Talk. We have one suspect down.
Entry team, this is Dock. Notifying medical.
Whole place is fucking
Lead to talk. We've got a dead suspect here.
Lead, this is Dock. You are clear to proceed.
Hands on your head, now!
You have no right! Oh shit!
Turn around slowly.
Small time.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is restrained and ready for trailers.
This is Dock. Trailers notified.
God damn it!
Put your fucking
Holy
hands up!
shit.
Hands up above your head!
I...
Hands on your
Okay,
head!
don't shoot! What the
Get
hell?
to the exit. Hold. Officers are outside.
All right,
Go.
I'm not
Keep your
moving.
hands up! Leave the area. Officers are outside.
Show me a warrant first.
Hands up! Drop to your knees!
I'm not moving. Not moving.
Head to the exit. Officers are waiting outside.
Security, stop!
Element to talk. We have a dead suspect here.
Element, this is Dock. Tag him and keep moving.
Nothing illegal
Hands
here.
up! Do it now! Hands on your head! Move down on your knees! Police! Drop! Hands up! Now! Go to the exit. Stay quiet. Move to the exit. Hands Hands
Do
up!
it.
Do it! Get down! I want to see hands! Hands up
Hey,
now!
Okay, man, listen to
Your
me.
knees.
We're not doing anything wrong.
Get to the exit.
You gonna tell me what's going on here? What this is about?
Get down now! Talk. Suspect down.
Doc to element. Coroner standing by.
Get on the ground now! Get down!
What are you doing here?
Hands on your head! Do it now! Hands up! Above your head! Police, get your hands up! Get down! I want to see hands! Put your hands up! Hands up! Get down and keep your hands up! LSPD, don't move! Lead to talk. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
Doc here. Trailer's en route.
Get down on your knees, hands up! Get down on your knees! Police, get down!
I don't have
Put your
to listen to
hands
you.
up! Let me see those hands!
You have no right.
Hey, are you done here?
Just don't shoot me.
We're
all
not
right?
here for you.
We have a right to
Entry
operate.
team to talk. We have an individual in custody.
Doc,
It's such horse shit.